Hi everyone! If you're planning a wedding and stressing over favors that people will actually keep and not leave on the table, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing DIY wedding favor ideas that your guests will genuinely appreciate without you spending a fortune of money and time creating them. I know wedding favors can feel like just another expense on an already very long budget list. But here's what I personally learned while planning my own wedding some time ago. Wedding favors don't need to be expensive or complicated. They just need to be meaningful and memorable. DIY wedding favors are one of my favorite ways to add a personal touch to your celebration because they tell a story, they feel intentional, and your guests can really feel the love behind them. And the first idea I'm sharing is the one we actually used at our own wedding. It took literally zero extra time and ended up being one of the most loved details. I'm talking about printing photos of you as a couple and giving them to your guests as a keepsake from your wedding day. So, we had a very small wedding ceremony with just us and our closest family. And this happened 2 months before our big celebration with all our guests. What we did was print photos from that small ceremony and use them as a wedding favors at the main party. It was such a simple idea, but it felt incredibly personal. People genuinely loved it. It felt like, giving them a little piece of our story. If you don't have your wedding photos ready yet, that's totally fine, of course. You can use engagement pictures, travel photos, or even, a favorite casual moment you love. What matters is the emotion behind the photo, not how formal it looks. What I really like about this idea is that it's so budget friendly. You can print photos at home if you have a good printer, or use online printing services that are really affordable. For packaging, you can keep it simple with a clear cellophane sleeve, or get creative, with small frames if your budget allows. We just put ours in simple envelopes in colors that matched our wedding color palette, and it looked clean and elegant. As an idea, you could also add your names and wedding date stamped on the front of the envelope. The next idea is giving your guests personalized seat packets, and I love this one so much because I think giving seat packets is like giving your guests, a little piece of your wedding that continues long after the day is over. Every time they see the flowers or herbs growing at home, they are reminded of your celebration. It's such a sweet connection that lasts beyond just that one day. You can buy seeds online for really affordable prices. Wildflowers, herbs, or even vegetables, if that fits your wedding style, of course. My personal favorite are wildflower seeds because they're so cheerful and easy to grow, even for people who aren't good at gardening. Then you create custom packets or envelopes with your names, your wedding date, and a short message like "Love grows here" or "Let love bloom," or even "Plant these seeds and watch our love grow." These little messages makes the favors feel even more personal and thoughtful. Don't forget to include planting instructions on the back. It makes the favor feel more thoughtful and actually usable. Your guests will appreciate knowing exactly when and how to plant them, and it shows you care about them actually being able to enjoy the gift. The whole project won't take you more than a weekend to complete, and it's actually a really relaxing and fun way to get your favors ready. Put on some music, maybe invite bridesmaids over, and make it a crafting party. What makes seed packet favors even more special is that you can choose seeds that have meaning for you as a couple. Maybe you met in a botanical garden, so you choose flower seeds. Or perhaps you both love cooking, so you give herb seeds like basil or dill that your guests can use in their kitchen. You know that personal touch makes all the difference. Now, if you're looking for a favor that your guests will definitely use in their everyday lives, this one is for you. Homemade infused olive oils or vinegars are perfect, especially if you love cooking or want to give something practical but still special. I personally think that feels really gourmet and sophisticated, and in addition, they are surprisingly simple to make. Making infused oils is easier than you might think. So what you need is to buy good quality olive oil in bulk. Add fresh herbs, like rosemary or thyme. You could also add garlic or chili peppers if you want a spicy version. And you just need to mix and pour everything into small decorative bottles. Then you let them infuse for about a week before your wedding, and that's it, it's ready. For vinegars, combinations like raspberry vinegar or herb-infused balsamic work beautifully. These are perfect for salad dressing, and they look absolutely gorgeous on a table, with fruit or herbs visible inside the bottle. Think about adding custom labels that match your wedding style, and maybe include a small recipe card showing how to use them. As I've already said, these favors feel very gourmet and intentional. It shows you put real thought and effort into choosing something meaningful. Small decorative bottles can be found at various online marketplaces, and they come in so many beautiful styles. I'm sure you'll find the one you like. If you and your partner are coffee or tea lovers, then custom coffee or tea blends is such a good idea for a wedding favor. Imagine every morning when your guests make their coffee or tea, they'll think of your wedding, which is such a sweet detail. It's like starting their day with a little reminder of your celebration. For coffee favors, you can buy quality coffee beans in bulk and package them with personalized labels. You could even choose a coffee that has special meaning to you, maybe from the place where you got engaged, or a blend that represents both of your favorite styles. Like, if one of you loves dark roast and the other prefers medium, you could do a blend that combines both. Tea favors are equally loved and honestly even easier to create. You can buy loose leaf tea in bulk and create custom blends by mixing different types together. Maybe a calming blend with chamomile and lavender for evening relaxation, or an energizing blend, with green tea and mint for mornings. You can get really creative here. What I really love about coffee and tea favors is all the packaging options. You can use small craft paper bags for a rustic look, decorative tins for something more elegant, or even muslin bags tied with ribbon for a sort romantic feel. Again, add custom labels with your names and wedding date, and maybe include brewing instructions to make them extra helpful for your guests. Friends of ours created a blend called The Perfect Start with their favorite coffee, and it was such a hit. Guests loved the personal touch, and several people honestly told them they ordered more sort of the same coffee afterwards because they enjoyed it so much. That's when you've created a really good flavor. And I would suggest keeping the portion small, maybe enough for 2 or 3 cups per favor. This keeps your cost down while still giving guests a meaningful gift they can enjoy. If you want to make it, even more personal, you could create a little story card that explains why you choose that particular blend. Maybe it's a coffee you had on your first date, or the tea you always drink together on Sunday mornings. Those little stories make favors so much more meaningful. Another great option, especially if you love cooking, is DIY spice blends. This one of my favorite because it's so practical and useful. You can make all kinds of combinations depending on what you and your partner love. Barbecue ribs, taco seasoning, Italian herb blends, or a spicy chili mix. The options are really endless. You could even create something that represents both of your cultural backgrounds if you want to make it extra meaningful. What I think makes spice blends favors so special is that your guests will actually use them. Again, unlike decorative items that might sit on a shelf somewhere, this will get used in cooking, and every time your guests reach for that jar while making dinner, they will think of your wedding. That's such a nice connection to have. And for packaging, you can use small glass jars for a classic look, craft paper bags, for something more casual, or even test tubes for a really modern, unique presentation. Make sure to add custom labels with the ingredients list. This is important because some guests might have allergies, and maybe include a simple suggestion for how to use the blend. You could, by the way, get creative with the names too. Instead of just calling it Italian seasoning, you could call it something like Our Perfect Match Seasoning, or Love at First Bite Spice Mix, or even combine your names like, for example, Sarah and Tom's Signature Blend. Again, these personal touches make the flavors feel even more special and memorable. They are really easy to make in large batches, which is perfect if you have a bigger guest list. You can measure out all your spices, mix them together in big bowl, and then portion them into individual containers. I'm sure the whole process can be done in one afternoon, especially if you have friends or family helping you. You can easily make, I'm sure, 100 favors without breaking your budget, which is really nice when you are trying to, watch your wedding expenses. I would suggest making your spice blends about 2 to 3 weeks before your wedding, because this gives the flavors time to blend together beautifully, and you'll have plenty of time to package them without any stress or last-minute rushing. I really hope this video showed you that creating beautiful, meaningful wedding favors doesn't have to be expensive or complicated at all. What I love most about DIY favors is that they can carry so much more heart and personality than anything mass-produced. When you make something yourself, your guests can genuinely feel the love and effort behind it. And that makes all the difference. Remember, the best wedding favor is something that represents you as a couple and provides real value to your guests. Whether that's something they can use in their kitchen, plant in their garden, or just keep as a sweet memory, what matters most is the thought and care behind it. And honestly, the time you spend creating these favors can become such a special part of your wedding journey. Those moments crafting together with loved ones, laughing and working on something meaningful, those are memories you will treasure, just as much as the wedding day itself. And my biggest advice is to start early so you are not stressed. Ask for help from friends and family to make it fun rather than overwhelming, and don't try to make everything absolutely perfect. Handmade favors have character precisely because they show that real human hands created them with love. A little imperfection just makes them more authentic and special. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which idea you loved most, and don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more wedding inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting and planning!